Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by a fan. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
I'm Colin Gunene from Orlando West Extension.
Yeah, okay, Colin, tell us, favor in.
I favor Pagani.
Yeah, how did you feel about today's win?
No, at least the boys, they've tried their best, and
yes,
then, they only need to be consistent with the game and also to get a strength.
Yeah.
When they've scored, they must try to get another strength, to get another goal.
Yeah. So do you feel that the boys become happy?
Yeah, they become relaxed, and then they become flat-footed from the game, from when they are playing, and then they need to play like give it all. Be passionate about the game.
Yeah, is it all the boys or is there a few that could improve on that?
Yeah, I think it can be few that can improve.
Who are those boys? Yeah,
Maswangai, Patrick Maswangai.
Yeah.
Yes, and then also this number 17, our striker Mahopa.
Yeah, evidence.
Yeah, evidence. He needs to get a confident and then be proactive.
Yeah.
Like to focus on the game and then to get for us more games.
Yeah.
Yeah, more scores.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you think he should always be on the starting lineup? Evidence.
Yes. I think
fine.
It's promising. It's promising.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, who was the man of the match?
The man of the match, I think it was Lodge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he was the best from the start to the end.
To the end?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much,
Okay,
sir.
thanks.